Hi, Tim from Bleepin' Performance here. I want to give a big shout out to Sport Compact Warehouse and CarSponsors.com for sponsoring our Racecar Mazda3 with this new Mazdaspeed3 short shifter plate that we'll be putting on while we finish up the transmission swap. Thank you again, Sport Compact Warehouse and CarSponsors.com. All right, we are out here in the garage today. We're going to be installing our Torque Solutions short shifter plate that we got from Sport Compact Warehouse, new sponsor of the channel. Pretty simple install. We've got our shift lever here. We're just going to take this out of the package. So it just pops right on here. And that's it. Simple as that. So now when we hook up our shifter cable, it's going to go to this further back spot rather than the original point here. And then we have a couple bolts that are on the vehicle for the cable to lock in place. That'll get bolted up to here. So super simple install. On the car is a little bit more. You got the battery and everything that'll sit on top of here. But we are really excited to be able to get this in the car, get the Racecar Mazda3 running again. If you have any questions, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.